Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marina YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about generator, its basic principle and components that we need to remember. Generator means its basic principle is it converts mechanical power to electrical power. That means convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Generator converts mechanical energy to electrical power. Here the principle is mainly principle of this generator is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Principle is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So we can recall what is Faraday's law. When a conductor moves in a magnetic field, it will cut magnetic lines of force and which induces a EMF, that is electromagnetic force in a conductor. The magnitude of this induced EMF depends upon rate of change of flux. So that flux linked with the conductor, and this EMF will cause a current to flow if the circuit is closed. That is known as induced current. So the principle of generator is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That we say when a conductor is placed in a varying magnetic field, an induced EMF is forced. An EMF is formed, that is known as induced EMF. A current will be formed when the conductor is placed in a closed circuit. That is the principle of electromagnetic induction. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. So, mechanically, a generator consists of a rotating part and a stationary part. We all know that. The rotating part is known as rotor and stationary part is known as stator. And this stator will surrounds the rotor. This one of this part generates magnetic field, other has wire winding in which changing field induces the current. Like I said, one part will produce magnetic field, other will have wire winding with a changing field and produce an electric current. Then field windings or field permanent magnet. This magnetic field producing, this is the magnetic field producing component that takes a field winding or permanent magnets. The magnetic field of dynamo or alternator can be provided either by wire windings or called field coils or permanent magnet. Here magnetic field can be produced either by wire windings or the permanent magnets. Electrically excited generators include excitation system to produce field flux. In electrically excited generator, there will be excitation system to produce the field flux. And generator using permanent magnet is sometimes called as magneto or permanent magnet synchronous motor generator. If a generator is using permanent magnet, then it is called as magneto or permanent magnet synchronous generator. Then armature. It is the power producing component of an electrical machine. Armature means it is a power producing component. Field magnet means, like I mentioned, it is the magnetism. It will be producing the field magnet. That means field magnet producing component, fielding winding and all. Here armature means power producing component of electrical machine. In a generator, the alternator or dynamo armature winding generate electric current and which will provide power to the external circuit. Like I mentioned, generator or we can say alternator, the field windings will generate electric current and which will provide power for the external circuit. The armature can be either rotor or stator, depend upon the design, and with the field coil or magnet or the other part. There are two types of generator mainly, AC generator and DC generator. We will be discussing much more in the coming videos. Thank you.